Our Aurora Sewing Center team here in Victor, New York is so excited to celebrate with you our grand opening week starting May 3rd.
Yes.
What are we doing on Wednesday, Alyssa?
Wednesday, we have our demo day, and our demo day has a lot of our staff and teachers coming in to show you a lot of demos. We have our certified technicians coming in to show you some ways of taking care of your machines.
And answer your questions.
And answer your questions, which is always important because we have a lot of questions and there's not always someone able to answer them. Then we have Sheila and myself and Lori going over some Kimberbell products. Then we have Nikki doing the direct
to garment
printing, which we got some special items for you with that.
You're going to want to check out that demo because you might walk away with a nice little gift.
That's right. And then we also have Mary going over some of the classes that she's teaching at the Victor store. We have Lori who's going over some classes at the Victor store. We also have Eileen showing you some rulers and how to use different types of rulers and why you'd want them for your special projects. And you know what? There's so much more. There's many of people coming in to go over and demonstrate different things for you. So please come and join us on Wednesday because there's so many things for us to show you.
And then on Thursday, entirely different set of programs we have. In the morning at 10 a.m. we have Eileen Kasicki. She's going over AccuQuilt, Cut Time Quilt More program. So she's going to be talking about the differences between the AccuQuilt cutters, which is a die cutting system for your fabric, and talking about how to apply strip dies and how to take advantage of the cubes. That is a combination of dies, and some tips and tricks on just really how to use the AccuQuilt to the fullest. And that is a 2-hour program. Yes. And then at 1 o'clock, we have Jeremy Jeffries from Benartex talking about the differences between fabrics, quality fabrics and maybe not so quality fabrics, how batiks are made,
which is right here,
as well showing you some future fall winter lines. So you're going to get an exclusive look at maybe the type of things a dealer or quilt shop might see well in advance, because that's how the fabric world works. So you're going to get an exclusive upfront look even before we've seen it. So that's fun.
That is fun.
And then on Friday, we start off at 9:30 in the morning with a Clever Quilting Bernina long arm quilting event on sit down long arms, the Q16, with Janelle. So you have to register for all of these programs we're talking about in advance. So we're prepared for you.
Yes.
But the long arm program there's 2 sessions. They're the same exact session.
On Friday.
On Friday. 1 in the morning, 1 in the afternoon. Starts at 2 o'clock. Okay, thank you.
Mm-hmm.
You're going to be learning
ruler work,
echo quilting, and free motion. And I know Janelle is very wise on the long arms, so you're going to pick up a variety of tips and tricks. And I hear her in the background. What else we're learning?
Meandering and stippling.
Oh, stippling too.
Meandering and stippling. Ooh, I like to meander.
I'm afraid I might get lost in that. And then because you have 2 people on a long arm, we're also running the same session on Saturday as well, so we could fit everybody in.
But wait, we forgot Friday. We have something really special at 1 o'clock.
Oh,
what are we doing?
Right. Friday, what are we doing, Listen? A ribbon cutting. With the town of Victor, with the Ontario County Chamber of Commerce, and then we have some really special guests as well. In addition, Therese Canfield, our Bernina District Manager, and Paul Ashworth, the President of Bernina as well. So wonderful to have them in town and join us in this.
Opening the store officially and kicking it off with our big grand opening.
So hopefully you've been in the store. If you haven't, well, perfect opportunity to pop in, or as our mother would say, bobbin.
Bobbin.